The polls are now closed until 6 tomorrow morning, but as we prepare for Election Day, there's a legal battle brewing over who is and isn't allowed to ensure the voting process in the city runs smoothly.
5 on your sign's Holden Kerwicki joins us live from the Booter Library polling location in St. Louis with details on why Missouri Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft is filing suit against the federal government. Holden.
Well, and Mike, this all stems from the Department of Justice's plan to send poll watchers to 87 cities, including the city of St. Louis, which Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft says goes against Missouri law. Monday afternoon, people stood in the rain for hours outside of Booter Library in an effort to cast their ballot.
Government is too important just to be left to the elected folks. We, the people, need to be involved.
Missouri Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft was filing a lawsuit in an effort to keep the Department of Justice out of polling sites around the city of St. Louis.
Missouri law is very clear. It's very precise about who is allowed to be in polling places and who isn't. We want to make sure that the people of Missouri have the right environment to be able to comfortably vote.
Though the practice of DOJ workers watching over elections is nothing new,
they really don't have any authority other than to take a report or make a report, but they don't have the ability to interfere or to do anything at the polls themselves.
It became an issue in Missouri during the 2022 election cycle when Department of Justice employees attempted to enter a polling place in Cole County.
I specifically asked the Department of Justice, what is your legal authority for doing this? I don't see it. I'm an expert on election law. I know Missouri election law better than federal law, but I know them both pretty well.
However, according to multiple legal experts at St. Louis University, the practice is allowed under federal law, which supersedes state election laws on the matter.
If the DOJ lawyers are law enforcement, then they can be present, and St. Louis has said it's fine.
I'm not exactly sure what Mr. Ashcroft is thinking here, other than a chance to sort of stick a thumb in the eye of the federal government.
They have no place in our polling places. They have no legal authority, and I will stand up to uphold the law and protect Missourians' right to vote without undue influence.
The directors of the St. Louis Board of Elections are not commenting on the suit at this time, and it's still unclear when or if this case will be heard by a federal judge. Reporting live in St. Louis, Holden Kerwicki, 5 on your side.